All right, something really quick. Don't mind that. They're fixing it soon. But right here, we're going to make French toast. And so I already added 2 eggs, a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit, it's probably like a teaspoon or the small little. This is 1/4 teaspoon. So yeah, I would say 1/4 teaspoon is fine, more or less, whichever you want. I literally just went dab dab, and you can even add more if you want to. So you guys can see, I added this, and I just went like literally, like, make sure it's this part too, not the big side, because I have done that before where I put too much. Anyways, it's not coming out. What the heck? Oh, so there it is. I think I put too much now, but all you gotta do is get a fork. You guys have one. And whisk it together. And then the milk I put about, I want to say, about 3 or 4 tablespoons of milk. You could add more or less depending on what you want. And I already have this on, it says right here low. That's how low it is. But it's warming up. I only left it like that because I had to turn it on. But you can put it higher. I'm going to put it higher. I always do. And to check it to make sure it's non-stick, remember, you have to get the water. It absorbed it. We're waiting for it to bounce around. This is not ready. I'm going to put it higher. Cold. So I'm going to do this. And the bread that I'm going to be using is from Costco, the Dave's Killer Bread. It's thin slices. I always get the thicker size, the regular size too, but you can use any bread you want. But this is the one that I'm using because it has protein, fiber, omegas, and whole grains. And so it's just a healthier version. If you don't like it because you don't like the grains, I got used to it. I got my kids used to it. And so that's what we're going to use. It's just better for you. And I have frozen because supposedly it's better if you freeze your bread. It just digests or comes out, I guess, better than if you don't freeze it. I'm not sure, but you can look it up. Like I said, I mix this. You can put it in any bowl. My bowls are dirty. I only have like 3 bowls. And so I just put it in this container and it fits perfectly, so it's fine. As long as it works. And you can also store it for later. So this is in a way better. And so we got butter. It's better to use this other butter. Let me show you real quick. It's better to use this. So we're gonna use that actually. Let me get some knife. So we're gonna put very little. I don't really measure it. Like, we just need enough to put in the bottom. But then we're gonna test our pot or pan or whatever. It's our pan. I call it sartén. That's in Spanish. Get some water. Throw it in there. It's bouncing around. Do you guys see that or no? Let's zoom in real quick. So it's bouncing around. So it's ready. And I'll add a little bit more so you guys can see. See that? You guys see that? Yeah, okay, it's kind of cool. All right, so now it's non-stick. Drop the water in the sink. Get some butter. So I guess you don't need a knife. But you can use a knife if you want. I'm putting my knife in the sink. Away from my other dishes so it doesn't get oil or butter all over it. Because butter is just like oil. And then get more butter. I just like to have the whole bottom covered. And I usually get a bigger pot, but it's full of rice. Maybe I should have washed it, just so I could put 4 at one time, so it's faster. And I put my French toast in the mix, and then I like to poke holes on it so it evenly cooks, like not cooks, but like gets the milk stuff that's in here. You could also add vanilla to this. I didn't, but you can. And you put it down. Don't move it at all until you see that it's getting golden brown in the edges, or we'll see right now. But don't move it right away. At least leave it there for, let's see, it's 10:20 right now. Yes, I'm having breakfast late. And then I wake up early. So this is, to me, it's late. And you don't have to wake up early. Whatever time you want to make your breakfast, you can do that. I'm only putting 2 because it only fits 2. The other one, if it's bigger, it fits 4 at a time. which we made the rice in. So this one, if it's 4. It's just better. So I would have just put that in a container. I should have done that, but I didn't do that. So, oh well, we're working with what we have. And I should have put that away so that way I could have used it, and it's just better. If it's 4, it takes less time. So right now it's been already, it's 10:21. It's been 1 minute. I think it needs a little bit more time. Otherwise, I mean, you could lift it up so you can see. I'm gonna show you guys. I think that's this one first, what it looks like. If you want it like this and it's ready for you, then you can go ahead and flip it. I like it a little bit more crispy, so I'm gonna leave it a little longer. I say 2 minutes. If you like it like that, how I just showed you guys, I don't know if you guys saw. Let me show you one more time. Like that, then you guys can be ready to go. But for me, I like a little bit like in the crunchy side, so I'm going, not really crunchy, but like a little bit better than that. It's 10:22. And the medium is, again, right now it's on very low. No wonder it's not cooking. I always like to go between medium and low on anything I cook. And otherwise it takes super long and it goes super slow on low. And try not to have your dish like out here, because this part over here it ain't cooking. And also it's dangerous. Like, even if it was over here, it's not dangerous there, but you see all the flame is hitting in this area only. So that's why you have to have it in the middle, and the handle is always to the side. And so never to this way, because if you accidentally have this, push it and touch it, it can flip on you, burn you, or whatever. And when it's on the side, it's out of the way. You can touch it and move it. You can also put it to the back, but most of the times, sometimes your pan moves and you don't want it to, you need the handle to move it, sorry. And so then, yeah, it's 10:23, been 2 minutes. We will see, or 3 minutes already, I don't know. I'm gonna flip it. Yeah, enough for me. Perfect. So it just depends on how you want. It takes 1 minute if you really just want it barely cooked, but mine I want it 3 minutes cooked. So it's 10:23. We're gonna do it at 10:26 to take them out and put the other ones. And a tip that I like to do is have these dishes ready, so that way you don't have to be washing. Honestly, I used to judge someone for it, but you know what? The less dishes to wash, the better. It's the same thing to me as if you were to hire someone to come wash dishes for you. Like, it evens out. So it's the same thing. Sometimes I don't mind eating in these, and sometimes I prefer to eating in my regular dishes. Like right now, I kind of prefer to eat in this. So I don't know. I'm thinking about it. I don't want to wash dishes also, but these are easy to wash. I'm gonna just eat this one today. I like to eat my French toast in this, and not everything I eat on these. Just depends on what it is. But a lot of my foods I do like to eat on these. These are easy to wash. These are the Corel. Love these. Okay, so it's 10:24, and it's on between medium and low. Here's the little line right here, so it's like literally the middle dot. The middle dot. If you don't have cinnamon, you don't have to use cinnamon. You could use vanilla, or if you don't have vanilla, you can use cinnamon, whichever you want. People add a pinch of salt too, but I don't do that. All right. So, oh, perfect. So no, I need 2 minutes because I added the flame higher. So yeah, 2 minutes when it's higher on each side. It's better. So I want the other side to be like this side. So I like it burnt a little bit. I don't know why, but that's what I like to do. All right, it's too high because you can lower it a little bit. You're just gonna see your stuff and see how you like it. How is your dishes, like cooking your stuff, and pay attention to the time. Like write it down so you don't forget. I kind of know how I like my stuff, so I just eyeball it now. But in the beginning on certain stuff, especially like cooking my rice, and then so it doesn't burn or it overly does, like sometimes it doesn't, it undercooks. And so sometimes I'd rather do that, time it. See how long it took me to make, and then the next time I just put a timer, set the timer, walk away, and I don't have to worry about, oh my god, I'm gonna burn it, or I have to sit here and stand and I can't do nothing else. No, I hate wasting time. So what I like to do is put a timer for everything. So like right now, I'm gonna put a timer just so you guys can see why it's better. So you don't have to be like, and I didn't poke this one, I forgot to do it, but I like to poke it just so it absorbs more milk and stuff. That one didn't. And it's okay on the stainless steel to poke at it. But if it was non-stick, I would not recommend poking it while it's on here. And so it's on the timer. We'll put 2 minutes. And then it should be done. You're ready to eat. And oh yeah, and so if you don't have that butter that I showed you, you can use this butter too. Or any butter that you like, as long as it works. For you, I'm gonna add the rest of this because it's very little and I don't want to keep that dirty just for a little bit of egg. And then right away, rinse and wash the dishes that you use. Not this one because it's hot. Butter, why not get the healthy butter? And then put it on top. Let's do this. And then root around, get your own fork or spatula, or knife, butter knife, and then just mix it around. But I have this. I'm gonna use this and then do it over there too. Because I also like it to absorb all the juices from the butter. Butter is not bad for you if it's healthy. This is healthy. Well, I don't know actually. I'm not gonna say I know for sure 100%, but if you're gonna be eating butter, it's always better to eat the healthy kind. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you guys like my video. It's super yummy.